Hey viewers, if you're into electronics, DIY repairs, or precision soldering, you know how much difference a reliable soldering station can make. In today's video, we're checking out the top 5 best soldering stations of 2025. The newest models that bring faster heating, better temperature control, and smarter designs to make your work easier and cleaner. So, let's dive right in and find the perfect soldering station for you. Here is listed number 5. The YIHUA 982 Rapid Heating Soldering Station is designed for precision, speed, and safety. Compatible with C210 soldering handles, it heats quickly and maintains stable temperatures from 90 to 450 degrees Celsius. With 4 memory presets, you can switch between your most used settings in seconds. It features intelligent temperature correction for accuracy, auto-cooling when the tip exceeds 200 degrees Celsius, and automatic shutdown after 30 minutes of sleep to save energy. Compact, efficient, and easy to use, the YIHUA 982 is perfect for professionals and hobbyists who demand reliability. In at 4, the FNIRSI DWS 200 is a 200-watt high-power precision soldering station built for serious electronics work. With a pure copper transformer and adaptive 100/240V input, it delivers rapid heat-up and stable temperature control from 100 to 450 degrees Celsius. The 2.8-inch HD color display makes it easy to monitor power and temperature in real time, while 3 preset temperature modes offer quick access for different tasks. Compatible with F210 and F245 handles, and equipped with auto-sleep and intelligent monitoring, the DWS 200 combines power, precision, and reliability in one compact design. In at 3, JCD 8586 D2-in-1. This SMD rework soldering station is a must-have for any electronics repair setup. Combining a hot air gun and soldering iron in one compact unit, it lets you work efficiently without taking up space. With PID microcomputer control, it heats up fast and maintains precise temperatures for professional results. The handle sensor switch activates instantly when picked up and goes into standby when released, saving energy and extending lifespan. Quiet, powerful, and ESD safe, this station is ideal for soldering, desoldering, and delicate SMD rework tasks. In at 2, ATTEN ST862D. The 1000-watt hot air rework soldering station is built for precision, speed, and reliability. With a wide temperature range of 100 to 480 degrees Celsius and a powerful 120 liters per minute airflow, it handles everything from circuit board repairs to component removal with ease. The LCD display and menu-style controls make temperature and airflow adjustment simple, while 3 programmable presets let you switch settings instantly. In at 1, the SUGIN A9 Intelligent Soldering Station brings precision and power to your workspace. With up to 120 watts of output and a temperature range from 100 to 450 degrees Celsius, it heats fast and holds steady thanks to its PID intelligent temperature control system. It supports T115, T210, and T245 handles, plus JBC tips, making it versatile for any project. You'll love the auto sleep mode, 3 preset temperature memories, and Celsius/Fahrenheit conversion for easy customization. Compact, accurate, and built for professionals, the SUGIN A9 keeps every solder joint perfect.